bought this a couple months ago. Haven't really had time to work on it. I did put some wheels and tires on there, some KO2s. It needs a rear end, which I knew when I bought it. But it also has some frame damage, or some frame rust, and some holes in it. That's really the only spot that I can find that's got holes in it, but I bought some patch kits to stiffen up the frame. I'm going to do this side too, even though this side looks okay. So today I'm just going to drop the gas tank so I can get access to the frames, and then when it stops raining I'll pull it outside, sandblast everything, and get ready to weld some new patches on. I also have to put a new cap on here. You can see it's been patched. Must have rusted through. This is pretty typical for a car in this area. Most of them are actually in worse shape than this. The rest of this frame's in pretty good shape. So if I just get some patches on those, should be good for many years yet. And it is going to spend a lot of time out in Colorado, out on the trails, so I want to make sure everything's pretty solid underneath there. So the first thing I'm going to do is just try and get these bolts out for the skid plate and get that off. See how that goes. Alright, so here's the day's progress. We got the gas tank out, the exhaust off, and now you can kind of see the frame a little better. This side's pretty bad. Definitely needs some patches welded in. That's the worst spot. The rest of it looks pretty good. I just finished up sandblasting this thing. Basically just wanted to get some of the big loose stuff off the frame. Kind of see what we had to work with. Here's how the passenger side looks. This is the worst spot by far, so we'll cut some of this metal out and weld some new stuff in. I don't know how well you can see that. This side looks pretty good. And here's the patch kit I ordered off eBay. Stuff's pretty thick. Pre-cut sheets of metal. Go right over the frame. Once we're ready to do the welding, we'll cut some of this out, clean it up better with a wire wheel, and then weld in some new patches. And we do have some extra stock over here too. So until next time.